This 2016 Dutchmen Denali 289RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 34 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 6, refrigerator, LP detector, microwave, skylight, slide-out, DVD player, air conditioning, water heater, stovetop burner, oven, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Dutchmen Denali 289RK is 7,599 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.